This 2011 Monaco RV Vesta 32PBS is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Monaco RV is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, air conditioning, TV, microwave, refrigerator, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2011 Monaco RV Vesta 32PBS and is powered by a MaxxForce 7V 8 diesel engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.